Is your child about to start school or is already in primary school? They can attend after-school daycare where your child will be looked after, play with other children, and do homework. Who is allowed to attend after-school care? All children are allowed to attend until the end of 4th grade. They have a legal right to daycare. This means that you as a parent can request it for your child. Your child can attend after-school care for at least 4 hours every day. If you need more childcare for your child, you must apply. For example, if you work or if your child is already in 5th or 6th grade. When do you need to apply? You must apply for a so-called Daycare Eligibility Certificate if your child has never attended a daycare facility before, if you want more than 4 hours of after-school care for your child, or if your child is already in 5th or 6th grade. Please submit your application 4 to 6 weeks before your child is due to start after-school care. This gives the Youth and Social Affairs Office enough time to review everything. Where can you get the application? You can get it from the Youth and Social Affairs Office in the Oder Tower, 8th floor, room 8.09. Or you can download it online. You'll find the link in the video text. Or you can write an email to the email address displayed here. What documents do you need? Fill out the application for after-school care. You will also need to submit additional documents such as a copy of your child's birth certificate, proof that you live in Frankfurt Oder. If you're separated or unmarried, proof of custody. If you need more than 4 hours of care, a certificate from your employer or proof of special reasons. Can you choose the after-school care center freely? Yes, you can make your own choice. Many centers have their own websites or offer tours. It's important that they have spare places available. And the Youth and Social Services Office must confirm your eligibility. You then sign the contract directly with the center. Does after-school care cost money? Yes, it often costs something. But don't worry. How much you pay depends on your income. If you don't earn much, you don't have to pay as much for after-school care. You can get detailed information from the after-school care center or the local authority. If you have any questions, please call the Youth and Social Services Office or send an email. The staff will be happy to help. We at Frobel are here for you, too. Simply contact one of our after-school care centers in Frankfurt Oder or use the comment function below this video. We wish you all the best and a great start for your child.